So I'm going to show you how you can use PODD in MindExpress 4. To start with, you need to install MindExpress, and you can get a free trial from our website by going to zyteq.com.au. If you select Products and then Software and Apps, and then scroll down to MindExpress 4 Trial and click More Info. Here there's a form that you can fill out. If you complete this form, it will then email you the links to download and install MindExpress 4. Once you've downloaded it, you can then open it up and you'll get something that looks like this. If you want to get PODD, you need to go to mindexpress.be, and on their homepage at the moment you can see PODD 15 School and Preschool. If you click the green download button, it takes you to the login page where you can put in an account, or if you don't have one yet for MindExpress 4, you can create a free one. You then need to click Continue to Download and then download the PODD files. You can see they're downloading here. Once you've got the download, you need to then go and import them into MindExpress. So you can then open up MindExpress 4, go to File, Import, Document, and you can see here this is my Downloads folder, and I've got PODD 15 School. I'm going to click Open and then OK, and this is just warning me about some photo images that I've got that it's going to overwrite, and I'm going to say yes to all. Now when I click OK, it will open up PODD 15 Australian.